Sinasabi dito sa 2 Peter chapter 1 verse 5, isang reminder sa akin na be good, be knowledgeable, be self-controlled, be resilient, be godly, and love unconditionally. Pero yung pinaka main text is sa 2 Peter chapter 1 verse 5 to 8. For this very reason, make every effort to supplement your faith with virtue, and virtue with knowledge, and knowledge with self-control, and self-control with steadfastness, and steadfastness with godliness, and godliness with brotherly affection, and brotherly affection with love. For if these qualities are yours and are increasing, they keep you from being ineffective or unfruitful in the knowledge of our Lord Jesus Christ. Nakaran kasi meron akong nagets na sobrang lakas pala talaga ng James chapter 4 verse 7 na resist him and the devil will flee. Yun yung ginagamit ko na ngayon. Halimbawa, kapag nakakaramdam ako ng last or yung tawag ng laman sa mga alaswaan, tapos merong mag-offer sa akin ng mga bisyo. So yun yung sinasabi ko palagi sa sarili ko na resist the devil and he will flee. Resist the devil and he will flee. Kaya pag may time na mga alas 3, kasi may mga tukso talaga tayo na naranasan. So yun yung na-adapt ko na okay, kapag nakakaramdam ako ng alaswaan, tapos nakakaramdam ako ng gustong magbisyo, sasabihin ko lang sa sarili ko, resist the devil and he will flee. Resist the devil and he will flee.